Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily add Calendly to your Shopify website. First, let's go to calendly.com and log in your account. On the schedule that you want to add to your website, click on the Share button and select Add to Website. You've got three options here: the inline embed, the pop-up widget, and the pop-up text. In this video, I'm going to use the inline embed, but you can do these same steps for the other two options. After choosing inline embed, click Continue, then copy the embed code provided. Then, let's go to shopify.com/ph and log in our account. Here on the left panel, you're going to click on the online store, then click Themes, and then click Customize. And then once again, on the left panel again, we're going to click on the Add section, and then scroll down until you find the Custom Liquid button. You're going to paste the embed code that you copied earlier here on the liquid code section. And just from here, you can already see what your website will look like. And then lastly, click Save right here on the upper right corner so you can save your changes. And now you're done! You have successfully added Calendly to your Shopify website. You can click on the View Your Store right here so you can see what your online store actually looks like. And if we scroll down, we can see the embed from Calendly that we added. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.